Hello everyone, welcome to Tax Adhyayan. In this video, we will explain how to get registration of TAN in the new e-filing portal. In our previous video, we have explained about how to register in the reporting portal to check the status of specified person by logging into the reporting portal using TAN login credentials. Now we will see how to register TAN in the e-filing portal. First, go to e-filing portal homepage, click register. Then, click on others and select the category as tax deductor and collector. And enter the TAN of the organization and click validate. If TAN is available in the database, registered with traces and the registration request is not raised already and pending for approval, for that case, click Continue to view the basic details page. The basic details are pre-filled, then click on Continue. What if the TAN is available in the database but not registered with traces and the registration request is also not raised already and pending for approval? In such case, click Continue to view the traces page. Click Register with e-filing on traces to view the basic details page and enter the basic details as required and click Continue. Please note, first you have to register on traces. From there, you will be taken to the e-filing registration page on clicking Register with e-filing. And the third scenario will be the TAN is available in the database. Registration request is also raised already and pending for approval. In this case, an error message will display and you can choose to withdraw the registration process. Enter the details of the person making payments or collecting tax and click Continue. In that, provide the contact details including primary mobile number, email ID and postal address. Then, click on Continue button. Please note, 2 separate OTPs are sent to your primary mobile number and email ID as entered in previous step. Enter the separate 6-digit OTPs and click Continue. Kindly note that OTP will be valid for 15 minutes only. You have 3 attempts to enter the correct OTP. The OTP expiry countdown timer on screen tells you when the OTP will expire. On clicking Resend OTP, a new OTP will be generated and sent to your primary contact details. On the Verify Details page, review the details provided, edit the details if necessary, then click on Confirm button. On the Set Password page, enter your desired password in both the Set Password and Confirm Password text boxes. Set your personalized message and click Continue. Please note, do not click on Refresh or Back button while this page is processing. Also note that while entering your new password, be careful of the password policy. It should be at least 8 characters and at most 14 characters. It should include both uppercase and lowercase letters. It should contain a number. Also, it should have a special character, example, @ $, %, hashtag, etc. After click on Register button, a success message is displayed along with the transaction ID. Please keep a note of the transaction ID for future reference. The registration process is complete upon receiving approval from the competent authority. Thank you for watching this video. For more such videos, watch our channel Tax Adhyayan and follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter.